guys, welcome back to my channel Fun with Hershey, and today I'm going to tell you how to make an animated video. So guys, let's get started. And not only video, I'm also going to tell you how to make an animated character on our own. So let's get started. To do that, first open your web browser, and you don't even have to install any software. I will enter the full screen mode, and here I will write anymaker.com. So you have to click on create your first video. It will load for some time, then you have to sign in, and I have signed in now, and I got to the dashboard. You don't even have to give. I have already made some animations to practice that I can do well. Now you can click on create. So first let us create a character. Click on create a character. First I will choose boy, he. I want this type of character, the skin tone this. Then you can edit it. This much is fine. You can facial here. This is fine. You can edit the eyes, eyebrows, nose, ears, you can edit every single thing. Outfit, you can even change the outfit, and if you want some random outfit, click on top wear, select some top wear. I am giving it a coat and suit. This much is fine. You can even give some boots. Okay, I want to make it this. Change the top wear. Something like better. Shoes as something like, no, not slippers. I want the shoes to be black. Yes. Eyewear. You can choose something. I want this. And hat. Hat is normal. It's great. Headphones. I will like to put these headphones. Neck wear. Neck wear is fine. I will give this type of wristwatch. It is not visible, but it's good. This, and mask as something. Tattoo. The tattoo is not visible. It's okay. The hat, I will give it some hat. This is great. So this is here. I have got my character, and now you can give it some name. I will give it nice person. Okay. Now let us save it. Click on save once again. It's saving. Okay. Now I have to go to dashboard. I can close this window. Now it has been saved. Now, like, if you will create something like this, it will get it. Now let us click create a video. Click on create a blank document, horizontal video. It's loading. There will be watermark in the free version. You can give it a background, and now you can add a character by clicking over here. Click on this character, this plus, and here you have got our character. You will get the character which you have made. I will make it a big. Now I can add some text in the computer. Hello, subscribe. We'll make it a bit small, and I have to change the color. Enter effect. I have added an effect also. The transparency is high. Okay, let us delete this and add some dark. Hello, subscribe. Yeah, this is better. Hello, subscribe. Make it small, and I have put it over here. Done. Now you can see it. It's loading. It's going well. And now to export it, click on share. Click on publish. Click on download video. Click on download. It will take a lot of time, so I'm cancelling the download. And so guys, thanks for watching.